In this video, we will explore the causes behind water leakage from the car silencer and discuss potential solutions to address this concern. Let's first discuss the causes of water leakage. Condensation from hot exhaust gases in the silencer causes water leakage over time. Fuel combustion generates water vapor in the exhaust system, alongside carbon dioxide. Inefficient expulsion of these byproducts can lead to water condensation in the silencer, causing leaks. Frequent short trips in cars can increase the risk of silencer water leakage. Inadequate heat from the exhaust system fails to fully evaporate condensed water, promoting corrosion and eventual leaks. Cold weather intensifies condensation in the silencer due to greater temperature gaps. The heightened condensation accelerates water leakage in colder climates. Complications from water leakage in the car silencer include corrosion, which weakens its structure and may lead to perforation. It can disrupt exhaust flow, diminish engine performance, increase fuel consumption, and impact emissions. Additionally, corrosion can alter silencer acoustics, potentially resulting in increased noise levels and signaling underlying problems. Addressing water leakage from the car silencer requires several proactive solutions. Schedule periodic inspections by a qualified mechanic to catch issues early. Cleaning and maintaining the exhaust system can extend its lifespan. Incorporate longer trips to allow the exhaust system to reach higher temperatures, aiding water evaporation. Insulate the system, especially the silencer, to maintain higher temperatures and reduce condensation. Use high-quality fuel with fewer impurities to minimize water condensation during combustion. Apply rust-preventive coatings to the silencer exterior to inhibit corrosion. In conclusion, addressing water leakage is crucial for maintaining vehicle performance. Through regular maintenance, awareness of driving habits, and preventive measures, car owners can mitigate risks and ensure their vehicles operate optimally. For more tips and tricks, please follow our page.